the Honorable Mahendra Reddy, Chief Guest for today's event, the Honorable Koya, FAO representatives, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Marama and Turangatau of this beautiful Wainibuka area. Thank you for accepting us here today, for making us feel welcome, and for turning up in big numbers. As set out by my brother cabinet ministers that are present here today about the importance of this initiative that we are all here for. Particularly for me, the first time I came across the chips was last week at the open market in Suva. Some ladies and youths from the village were there to sell these chips, and that's the first time I came across it. And I asked them, where is this produced? And they said, in our village. Where is that? Nabulini, Wainibuka. And I said, the product which I see here today, I asked that question where it was produced because, first of all, the packaging of it. It's something that I would find in any supermarket. And as the Minister for Industry and Trade has seen, it belongs overseas as well. And I'm grateful to this initiative, to my brother ministers, and the plan that they've set out in relation to marketing this product, not only locally, but internationally as well. But it's not only that. I'm here also because of a very important aspect of this project, which I'm very, very thankful for, is in relation to the empowerment of our women. Particularly women who live in rural communities. You would hear that a lot of times that I speak, I'm always speaking about the economic empowerment of women. And right now, when we're living through the challenges that COVID has imposed on us as a nation, as communities, as families, as individuals, it's projects such as this that can alleviate poverty, that can elevate the livelihoods of our people. And I don't think there's anyone in this room that will disagree with me when I say that when we empower the woman, the family gets empowered, the community gets empowered. It also always encourages me when I go into villages, particularly on projects where a big component of it is run by women, or where women in rural communities are contributing to it, when I see the composition of the audience, that to me is telling about the support that women have in our communities. When I see a lot of men in a hall, in projects that's largely seen as women's projects, that to me speaks volumes about the support that our women have. And projects such as this, particularly in rural communities, in Itauke villages, and here I speak as an Itauke child. When there's a project where our mothers are critical in sustaining those projects, if there's no support from our dads, our husbands, our brothers, our nephews, those projects will not see the end of day. So that is why, from the perspective of the economic empowerment of women, I'm grateful for the support shown by the men of the community. Because as women, it doesn't matter how far we go, what careers we take, even as a minister, the support of men is critical in our achievements. And when we take that down to local communities, we cannot gloss over the role of women in the caregiving, unpaid care economy. Apart from playing a role in economic empowerment of our families, of our communities, that other aspect also needs to be addressed. Because our mothers may leave our homes to go to the cooperative every day, our sisters, our daughters, to assist the community in economic empowerment, but at the same time, there's that expectation that the same mom, sister, or daughter comes back home to do her care economy, to look after her children and her family. So I ask for understanding of that aspect of the role of women in our communities. I ask for the support of the leaders of our communities, of the men in our communities, to also consider this in relation to the lives of your loved ones, the women in your lives who play a critical role in this project. Vina wa levo, vina sarva levo visureti, au wa anu inu vina a ve emunu keve. Ni na yanga wa levo ve endato, ai soli to me tavole ti ona singa ni ua. Yanga ve endato na nondato vu vale, na nondato vu nova turanga. Vina sarva levo.